So then we are going to just start adding and subtracting these now. And this is a little bit more work. I mean, I'm glad that you thought the multiplying and dividing are pretty easy, because that should be how you feel about it. This one is a little bit more annoying, but let's make sure we know how to in general. So like if we have 2 over 3 and we're going to add, let's just do 5/7. Can we add those as is?
I wish.
Yeah, you better get a common denominator. And so what is the common denominator here? All right, so then what's the first one become then?
14 or 21.
And then, yeah, whatever you do to 1, you got to do that because we're multiplying by a version of 1. All right, so then again, only add the numerators, don't add the denominators. So this is 29 over 21, and of course you should check to see if you can simplify.
You want to put it into a next number?
No. But don't ever change anything to a mixed number for me. But of course we're not doing these either. We're just doing a bunch of factoring and things like that.
Yeah.
All right, so how about let's do, so we're on page 49 and 50, we're talking about 51 through 63. It's not bad, right?
I was waiting for 51 through 92.
No, I'm not going to do that.
It's not bad. Maybe 93.
The second one is odd, or even. It wouldn't be, it'd be like 53.
As long as it's odds, though, you're still all right. What about, let's see, how about we do, well, let's do, let's do 58. I think 58 is an okay one to start on. 58. So then we got x over plus x minus 2.
So, how are we supposed to go to the x squared?
Okay, so. All right, so first thing is factor any denominator we got. So what can we factor that first one into? Is that okay with everyone?
Yeah. Because it's a negative. We do it.
Oh,
Don't look at me like
last
that.
year?
Yeah, yep, we did. Okay, so then,
I wasn't here for this one.
all right, so basically, right, if you see it as part of your denominator, it's going to be part of your common denominator. But you don't want to double count. So like that x plus 2, that's already there.
You just have to multiply by x minus 1.
Right, so is it okay to say that our common denominator is x plus 2, x minus 1?
Yeah.
All right, so then we don't have to do anything to that first one, right?
No, we do not.
No.
But what did we have to multiply this second?
X minus 1.
Yeah, so whatever was missing, right? So then we had to multiply top and bottom by x minus 1.
So the top is x minus 1, and then it's going to be x minus 1. Oh my god. Wait, why'd you put x minus 1 on top?
Because you gotta multiply top by
both sides.
I kind of did 2 steps at once. Right, I didn't rewrite. So like if you want to see it rewritten, right, it'd be this. Yeah, sorry. So then then is it okay if I write it like this?
Oh, okay. Oh, you just added it?
Yeah, I kind of was just saving space, yeah.
Yeah, all I thought
Where
was
did the 2, well, I get the 1 1. Where's the other 1 from?
the negative.
Yeah.
What makes no sense? That's problem. Yeah, there's
Oh,
2.
Yeah, because yes, thank you, because you're subtracting.
Wait, no, I am questioning myself. No, I still don't understand.
Why
the
isn't it
bottom
just
one. It says
x
x minus 1
minus
minus 1
1?
and then x minus 1.
Because, why, say it again? Why is it not what?
Why is there 2 minus 1s? cause there's
Why
not
isn't it
more.
just x minus and then parentheses x minus 1?
Oh, I don't know where this one came from, it shouldn't be there, yeah. Is that what
That's
you're
why
talking?
we were all confused.
Yeah,
It's
like this,
shouldn't
this
the
one,
X
right?
sit minus
I'm sorry,
one?
yeah, that one shouldn't be there.
Yeah, I was like.
Yeah, okay, is that better? Yeah, okay, sorry. Sorry.
We were all so confused, like, I was like,
Was it
holy
seeing it, I was
crap.
like, why are these guys?
Alright,
We're just making up stuff now.
yeah, right, okay, so then it's x minus x plus 1, right?
Yeah. That's the answer. You're wondering what he did, should we did the I see it.
Well, that's not the answer, what's the answer?
I'm telling Owen, because Owen's face is 1 over.
We distributed the negative 1.
Right.
What happened? I had to put that together.
Is that okay?
Oh, yeah, it's X minus X on all.
You gonna do another one?
Yes.
Pick another even one.
Let's go with 62.
Huh? A little hard one.
You guys want 60 or 62?
62. 60 easy because you factor it.
62 it is.
Well, they're all the same, so.
Yeah.
2 or x plus 1.
For 63, wouldn't it just be over 1?
Yeah, I'll talk about 63 for you.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking, it'd be over 1. Plus 2. That's cool, negative exponents. I totally want to do that.
Alright. So what's the first step?
Cube. No, different squares.
Difference of squares. Okay, so then the first two don't change, right?
Last one does. Yeah, the last one does.
And so then what does that one factor into?
X plus 1, X minus 1.
Alright, so then what is our common denominator going to end up being?
X plus 1, X minus 1.
Is that okay?
Yep. So it's a good, everything X times.
So I'll write it all out this
The
time.
first one is
You
multiplied by
gotta
X
do
minus
the
1.
first one
Second
times
one
x
multiplied by
minus 1, the second one times x plus 1.
For some reason I feel like we did do this last year.
That's because we did do it last
If
year.
we did.
I don't think I did this last year, I'm not gonna lie. Well, you weren't in this class. And it doesn't help. You should have been.
Yeah, literally everybody.
Probably should have been. Dude, this first class was so easy.
Eli, were you in my class last year?
No, he was in this first class with me.
Alright, so then what do I need to add to the numerator of the first?
Well, you will multiply it by 1.
Yeah, so 2 and x minus 1, is that okay?
Oh, no, never mind, I'm done. Yep.
And then what about the middle one?
2 and X plus 1.
And what about the third one?
1.
Right, we didn't have to multiply by anything, right?
Cool.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to write all of these together while I distribute, is that okay?
Yeah, it just should be down.
So then, right, then the numerator is 2x minus 2
2X plus 2.
plus 2x plus 2 plus 1. And that's all over.
So we'll just do 4X plus 1. All over. X plus 1.
And x minus 1. So yeah, now you're just combining like terms. So 4x plus 1. So then what you need to do is see if you can factor the numerator. And in this case you cannot, but if you could, possibly you could cancel something out. Yeah, so simplifying still matters, okay?
If it was like an X plus 1, you could simplify that and take out numerator.
Like if,
Yeah, right, if you're able to factor and like one of those factors showed up, then you can cancel.
yeah, like if that was 4x squared or 4x squared, then you can do the other thing.
Yeah, then maybe you can actually do A times C or difference of squares or something again. Alright, so then I'm going to show you, the only other thing then, I show you what, I'm going to set up 64 for you. I know you're not going to do it, but make sure you understand that it's the same. So I'm not going to do this one, but 64 would look like this.
It's been a bad time to say I don't understand what negative exponents do.
Yeah, because you just took a quiz over it.
I have no idea. I have no idea what negative exponents do.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Cause he moved it to make it positive.
I forgot you did that.
Yeah, don't forget about that.
I just
Yeah.
wrote it out and didn't.
Alright, so that's what 64 would look like, so now when you do 63, just notice what's connected to the negative exponent and what is not, okay? Yeah.
So on 64,
Yeah.
since one's to the fourth and one's to the third, you have to move another x minus 5.
Yeah, you can never, well, not that you can never,
Multiply by another.
you have to multiply the first one by another one. Usually you can't go down. Okay. That's not 100% because maybe you could simplify, but for the most part, right, you're just going up. All right, so any other questions then? All right, please ask if you